you preparing for your IELTS speaking test, but still sound a little too simple?
That's me. I keep saying good and bad. I need some fancy words.
Then this episode's for you. Today, we're learning advanced vocabulary that can make you sound confident, fluent, and ready for a Band 8+.
Ooh, Band 8. Sounds like a rock group.
Close, but no, it's your IELTS score. And here's the best part. We've made a free PDF guide with all these advanced words, definitions, and example sentences so you can practice easily after this lesson.
Free and smart. My favorite combo.
Let's dive in and talk smart. Segment 1. Describing people and personality. Perfect for IELTS questions like, describe someone you admire.
I'm ready.
First word, charismatic. Someone with a naturally attractive personality that draws people in.
So, like, they have magic powers?
Sort of. When someone is charismatic, people are naturally attracted to them. My boss is quite charismatic. Everyone enjoys working with her.
Oh, so people just like them.
They're drawn to them. It's more than just being likable. Next, diligent. Hardworking, careful, and thorough.
Like, working hard?
Yes, my brother is diligent. He studies carefully and never rushes through work.
So it's about quality and effort.
Exactly. Assertive. Confident and willing to stand up for yourself.
So I can say, I'm assertive because I argue with my mom about bedtime.
Not quite. Assertive isn't aggressive. I'm quite assertive in meetings. I share my ideas confidently without being rude.
Oh, there's a difference.
Big difference. Reserved. Quiet, doesn't share much, keeps feelings private.
Like booking something.
Different meaning. My grandmother is reserved. She's thoughtful but doesn't talk a lot.
Quiet and private.
Yes. Compassionate, showing empathy and care for others' feelings.
Like caring.
More than caring. My friend is compassionate. When someone's struggling, she really understands their pain.
That's deep kindness.
Laid back, relaxed, easygoing, doesn't stress easily.
Like I'm lying down?
No, my friend is laid back. Nothing bothers her. She stays calm.
Oh, attitude, not position.
Exactly. Ambitious, having strong goals and drive to succeed.
Wanting big things.
Yes, I'm quite ambitious. I want to become a project manager.
That's determination.
Open-minded, willing to accept new ideas and different perspectives.
Like literally open?
Metaphorically, I try to be open-minded about different cultures.
Understanding and accepting.
Perfect! Now let's practice a real IELTS answer. I'm going to read the question, and then you can give your answer. Ready? Describe someone you admire.
I admire my English teacher. She's quite charismatic. Everyone enjoys her classes. She's also very diligent with her work, carefully preparing every lesson. I'd say she's compassionate. She understands if students struggle. She's also open-minded about different learning styles. And she's assertive about helping students improve.
Excellent, Jake! You used 6 advanced words naturally.
It sounded professional.
Exactly, like IELTS Band 7+. Segment 2, Study and Work Vocabulary.
Job talk.
Meticulous, very careful, precise, paying attention to every detail.
Like perfectionist?
Similar. I'm meticulous with my research. I check everything twice.
Quality control.
Proactive, taking action before problems happen, not just reacting.
Like preparing ahead?
Yes, good project managers are proactive. They prevent problems before they start.
Smart planning.
Innovative, bringing new, creative ideas and solutions.
Like inventing?
Sort of. Our company uses innovative technology to improve efficiency.
New ways of doing things.
Versatile, able to do many different things well. Flexible.
Like changing?
Sort of. I'm versatile. I can manage projects, handle data, and lead teams.
Multiple skills.
Motivated, driven, and enthusiastic about achieving goals.
Feeling determined?
Exactly. I'm highly motivated by helping students succeed.
Real passion.
Analytical, able to examine things carefully and understand how they work.
Like math?
Not necessarily. I have an analytical mind. I enjoy solving problems by looking at data.
Thinking deeply?
Resourceful, good at finding solutions with whatever you have available.
Like resources?
Yes. During the pandemic, teachers had to be resourceful, finding creative ways to teach online.
Making do with what you have.
Pragmatic, practical, focused on real-world results, not theory.
Like practical?
Exactly. I'm pragmatic. I prefer solutions that actually work, not perfect ideas on paper.
Results matter.
Now let's do a funny job interview scene. Interviewer, why should we hire you?
I'm very analytical. I analyze my breakfast every morning. I'm resourceful. I reuse my coffee cup 6 times. I'm pragmatic. I always choose the easier path.
Jake, those aren't the right meanings.
What went wrong?
Let me show you better answers. Why should we hire you?
I'm analytical. I examine data carefully to understand market trends. I'm resourceful. I find creative solutions with limited budgets. I'm pragmatic. I focus on deliverable results rather than perfect theories.
Perfect. See the difference?
The second one sounds professional.
That's IELTS level vocabulary use. Segment 3. Feelings and reactions. Important for personal questions.
My feelings about IELTS.
Exactly. Overwhelmed. Feeling too much pressure, too many things at once.
Like covered by a wave?
Good metaphor. Before exams, I sometimes feel overwhelmed by the workload.
Heavy motion.
Thrilled. Very excited and happy.
Like happiness?
More intense. I felt absolutely thrilled when I got accepted to university.
Real joy.
Frustrated. Annoyed because something is difficult or not working.
Like stuck?
Yes, I feel frustrated when I don't understand something after trying hard.
Stuck, but trying.
Grateful. Thankful. Appreciating what you have.
Like thankfulness?
Yes, I'm grateful for my parents' support.
Appreciation.
Inspired. Motivated by something positive.
Thinking? Getting ideas?
Yes, I feel inspired by people who overcome challenges.
Uplifting.
Apprehensive. Worried or nervous about something coming.
Like understanding?
No, different word. I feel quite apprehensive about my IELTS exam.
Anxious.
Exactly. Confident. Feeling sure of yourself and your abilities.
Believing in yourself?
Yes,
After practice, I feel more confident about the test.
Self-belief.
Nostalgic. Feeling sentimental about the past.
Thinking missing memories?
Sort of. I feel nostalgic when I look at old school photos.
Emotional memories.
Now, let's talk about how you feel before IELTS. Jake, how do you feel about your upcoming IELTS test?
Honestly, I feel quite apprehensive. It's an important test, but I'm also inspired by my goal of studying abroad. Sometimes I feel overwhelmed by the preparation, but my teacher has made me feel confident. I'm grateful for all the support, and I'm thrilled about the possibility of succeeding.
That's a perfect emotional answer with great vocabulary
Really flows naturally.
because you're being genuine with advanced words. Segment 4. Society and Environment. Common IELTS topics.
Important issues.
Sustainable. Good for environment. Able to continue long term.
Like continuing?
Yes. We need sustainable solutions for climate change.
Long-lasting, good.
Urbanized. Full of cities. Developed and busy.
Like city-like?
Yes. Most urbanized areas have good public transportation.
Modern and crowded.
Conservative. Careful. Avoiding risk. Traditional.
Like politics?
Can be. My grandfather is conservative. He prefers traditional ways.
Not changing much.
Egalitarian. Believing everyone should be equal.
Like equal?
Yes. An egalitarian society gives everyone equal opportunities.
Fairness.
Prosperous. Wealthy and successful.
Like having money?
Sort of. Prosperous countries have strong economies.
Rich and successful.
Globalized. Connected across the world. International.
Like global?
Exactly. Globalized economies mean companies work internationally.
Worldwide connections.
Influential. Having power to affect or change things.
Like important people?
Yes. Social media influencers are influential. They affect people's opinions.
Having impact.
Culturally diverse. Having many different cultures together.
Like many cultures?
Yes. London is culturally diverse. People from everywhere live there.
Multicultural.
Let's practice an environment question. Do you think environmental protection is important?
Yes, I believe it's very important. We need sustainable practices and innovative solutions. Prosperous countries should be leaders in this. If we create globalized environmental policies, we can make real progress. It's an egalitarian issue, too. All countries should contribute equally.
You covered the question, used advanced vocabulary, and sounded knowledgeable.
That's the goal.
Exactly.
Final segment. IELTS practice. Real questions, real answers.
Show me how it works.
Describe a person you admire.
I admire my friend because he's very assertive. He asserts his dog walks him.
Jake, that doesn't work.
What went wrong?
Assertive means confident and standing up for yourself, not bossy. Let me give you a better version.
I admire my friend because he's assertive. He speaks up confidently at work. He's also innovative, always bringing you ideas. He's diligent with his projects and pragmatic about solutions. I'd say he's also compassionate. He cares about people's well-being.
Much better. See how natural that sounds?
And it uses the right meanings.
What makes you proud?
I feel proud of my achievements and personal growth. I'm thrilled about how far I've come, and I'm grateful for everyone who supported me. I'm inspired to keep working hard and achieving my goals. Though sometimes I feel apprehensive about challenges, I remain confident in my abilities.
Perfect personal reflection with excellent vocabulary.
This is so helpful.
One more. What role does technology play in society?
Technology plays an influential role in our globalized, urbanized world. Innovation in tech has made society more prosperous. However, we need pragmatic, sustainable approaches to technology. It's important that we create egalitarian access. Not everyone can afford new technology. We should be proactive in solving these issues.
Spectacular. You've covered complexity, used advanced vocabulary naturally, and sounded thoughtful.
The practice really helps.
It does. These are Band 8 level answers. And that's it. 40 advanced words to help you shine in your IELTS speaking test.
If I use these, I'll sound like an English professor.
Or at least like a confident IELTS candidate. Remember to download your free PDF guide from the description. It has all these words with definitions and example sentences. You can review anytime.
That's so helpful for practice.
Study it this week, practice with real IELTS questions, and use these words naturally about your life.
Not memorized, but genuine?
Exactly. Examiners can tell the difference.
If you like learning with us, hit that like button and subscribe for more English fun every week.
We're here to help you succeed, not just in IELTS, but in real English conversations.
Thanks for learning with us.
Don't just learn English, talk smart.